Hi everybody, here we are. I'm trying to make, this is my first video using this particular software, and we're going to try to do GeoGebra doing rotations in GeoGebra. So the first thing you need to do is go to GeoGebra. So type in GeoGebra. There we go. That comes up, click it, and you should already have an account. And it's being very slow. All right, so if you're not at this screen, we need to do what we can do to get to this screen, and then we'll click New. And today we'll go to Math Apps. Now, once you're at the Math Apps, we want to choose Geometry. Because we're doing geometry today. We're not using the calculator, but geometry. And you should get a blank screen. And because the rotations we're going to do today are on the coordinate plane, you want to come here and click this. We'll turn on the axes. Then we'll click on the grid. We want this first grid. Then once you've got this nice little screen, come here to the Move tool. And let's move this to the center of the screen. Nice. All right, so we're going to create a polygon, and we're going to rotate it about the origin today and see what happens with the coordinates as we do that. So first, let's create the polygon. We'll go Polygon, and I'm just going to create something pretty simple, maybe here and here. Let's go ahead and make a pentagon, and there. So there we have our polygon. And it's going to be important for us to know the coordinates of this polygon. So we'll click on the point, come here to the AA key, name and value, click it, and this is going to be point A because that's the first point that we created, and there are the coordinates of it. How cool is that? So we will do that with each of the vertices of the polygon. Bam, bam, name and value, bam, name and value. Now in a little bit this is going to get kind of busy on our screen, but that's okay. The next thing we need to do is put a point, come here to the point tool, put a point at the origin, and there it is, because that's the point around which we want to rotate our polygon, and you have to establish that point. So now we'll go to this tool. This is our transformation tool. Click it, and down here is the rotate around a point. Click that. Notice that when you rotate around a point, it tells us that we need to select the object to, that says dilate. Click that, select the object to rotate, then the center point. This is the object, I'll click it, I'll come to the center point and click that. Then this dialog box is going to come up. We want to rotate it around our point at 90 degrees, so just backspace that and type in 90 degrees. I want to go clockwise. I want this thing to appear in the first quadrant here, so I'm going to click clockwise. Click OK, and bam, there it is. I'm going to come back here to my Move tool so I can move this down so you can see what happened. So A, look where A ended up. A ended up here. It rotated around that point A. Take a look at the coordinates, -7, When I rotate it, oh, wait a minute. It's 5, +7. +5, wow, what's going on with that? Almost doesn't even look like the same shape, but it is. Crazy. Look at B. Point B is -4, This is 6, What's going on with that? Well, you're going to have to explore that in a little bit. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. Now I want to go back to the same shape, and I want to, excuse me, wrong one. I want to dilate this around the origin, but this time I want to go 180 degrees. Now with 180 degrees, it doesn't matter if we go clockwise or counterclockwise, but just for the sake of continuity here, I'm going to click clockwise and say OK. Wow, look where it showed up. So point A is here, from here to here. Wow, look, -7.5. Down here it's +7, -5. Oh man, what's up with that? Crazy. All right, so we've our original. This is our what we call our pre-image. This is our 90-degree rotation and our 80 degrees rotation. Let's rotate it one more time. Let's try to get it to this quadrant. So I'm going to rotate. Although I'm already still on rotate, I could have just clicked, but I'm going to go ahead and make sure that's what I'm doing. I'm going to click this. I'll click my origin. And now I want to end up here. So this was 90. This was 180. If I go another 90 degrees, that will be 270 degrees clockwise. Or, crazy enough, I could go counterclockwise 90 degrees. Counterclockwise is this way. Counterclockwise 90 degrees and clockwise 270 degrees is the same. But again, for continuity, I'm going to stick with clockwise. So here we go, click, and there it is. And that's what this looks like if I go 90, 180, 270. Next thing I want to do is I want you to be able to tell that these are very different. And of course, those coordinates let us do that. But I want to introduce a new tool. I'm going to go to my Move tool. I'm going to click this. And then I want to make that one a different color. And I really love green. And I'm going to make it dark green. Woo, nice. Now let's go and click this one. Let's make this one. Maybe that's purple. I really like purple. Let's make that purple. You can choose whatever colors you like. Then I'm going to go to this one. Not. Oh, there it goes. All right. Choose this. What color? Blue. Let's make that one dark blue. And then finally, let's go to this one. Red. Let's go with a red. I think that's red. Red. So there I have rotated around the origin 90, 180, 270. Now if I wanted to label these, I would go to this and text. And I'm going to create some text right here. I'm going to go, here's my text. I just clicked in there, text, and I'm going to type pre-image and say OK. And look, it comes up in there. Then I'm going to come here and click here. And I'm going to type 90 degrees. I can't do the degrees, so we'll just say clockwise. Say OK. Come here. I want to move that one. Let's move that there. Cancel. Okay, I just wanted to move it. Now I'm going to do this one. This was 180 degrees clockwise. Okay. Looks nice. Let's go here. This was 270 clockwise. And OK. Then before you turn this into me, I'm going to click here. I want to move this. Let's cancel that. Before you turn this into me, you better make sure it has your name on it. So I'm going to come up here and click my tool again. And I'm going to put my name, because this is what I did, and say OK. And there it is. This is mine. I'm going to move it down here. And there we go. And that's how you rotate 90, 180, 270, an image. The important thing that you need to note are the coordinates of these things, because you're going to have to answer some questions about the coordinates. The last thing you want to do is do a screenshot and put that in the Google Doc for the assignment and turn it into me. That's what's going to get you your grade, but you also, in addition to doing the screenshot, you've got to answer the questions that I've put out there. So, I hope it's going well, and RSG, ready, set, go.